I know I was reluctant at first, but I think we made a good compromise on the car.
Yeah, you're just saying that because you can plug your game console into it.
And I look totally cool driving it. So do you, of course.
See? You get to look cool, and I get the technology that I want. This is the most cutting-edge piece of technology I own.
No, your supplements are the most cutting-edge thing you own. Nature Made always uses the latest research on nutrition. So when you take your multivitamins and your cholesterol, you're getting exactly what you need. Which in your case is for people who don't get enough exercise.
Yeah, you're right.
Are you thinking about that Rockstar game again?
Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
All's well that ends well, just as long as Ted gets to play his guitar in the virtual world. Would you like to go back and follow another girl, or skip ahead to the end? To find out which supplements are right for you, click on the bottle below.